Hello, and welcome to another Quest CE product overview. Today, I will be guiding you through the process of setting up a new seminar and covering key features within the instructor side of Questtrak. To begin, navigate to the website questtrak.com. That's Questtrak.com. Once here, instructors will see a brief overview of Questtrak and the industry-leading capabilities it provides. On the left-hand side of the screen is a resources dashboard to other Quest CE products and solutions, as well as a link to subscribe to our monthly newsletter. In the middle of the screen are the navigation icons to log in as an instructor, supervisor, or administrator. For the purposes of this demo, I will log in as an instructor. Here, instructors will input their username and password. I will be logging in as the fictitious instructor Holly O'Connor. Instructors are immediately logged into their dashboard page where they can see any recently scheduled or canceled seminars. To access a list of PDFs that offer guidance on important areas of Questtrak, click Help. These downloadable PDFs offer an array of assistance including best practices when presenting continuing education, tips on surviving an audit, and a seminar setup tutorial for instructor login. If help is required during business hours, users may call Quest CE at 855-553-4037 or click the Start Chat button to speak with a representative. To begin setting up a new seminar, click the New Seminar link. The first thing instructors will see is the Instructor-Led Seminar Agreement, which is similar to the one included in the materials instructors will receive from Quest CE. Instructors should note that once they begin the process, they should not use their browser's back button, as this will cancel the setup. Once the agreement has been reviewed, make sure the instructor-led type is selected and click I agree. This will begin step 1 of our easy 5-step process. Instructors should take a moment to check the notification requirements by clicking the View Notification Requirements link. This opens a separate window that shows the different registry options and the required notification days. To return to the setup process, close this window. Here, instructors will need to input the seminar date, the start time, and the duration. Keep in mind that each seminar needs to be scheduled individually, and the duration pertains to the current setup, not the entirety of multiple seminars in a single day. Next, provide the location information including the company name, address, city, state, and zip code, as well as the location contact person's name, email address, and phone number. The contact person is usually the instructor and is simply who an auditor or an attendee would ask for if they were uncertain of the seminar's location. For example, if a seminar is being held in the banquet hall of a hotel, but only the hotel is listed as the location. The instructor information does not need to be entered because it auto-populates based on account information. Finally, if a bigger group is expected that requires an additional contact person, input their information here. Once all the required information has been entered, click Continue to Step 2. This is where instructors will select their initial credit. If more than one state or designation is needed, it can be added at Step 4. For now, select an initial credit option and continue to Step 3. Instructors will then select the desired course from the list of available options and proceed to Step 4. This is where the required estimated number of attendees will be provided. This number is required to ensure an accurate number of materials are shipped. As previously mentioned, this is also when additional credits can be added. States listed on the left fall within the requirements and can be added to the request. States that cannot be added will be displayed on the right. Should an instructor need to check the requirements, the View Notification Requirements link is here as well. After the number of attendees has been entered and any additional credits have been selected, move on to Step 5. The final step of the process pertains to the seminar's materials, which include the seminar instructions sheet, the instructor statement sheet, the necessary number of attendance sheets, and a FedEx return envelope. Please note, it is important to make sure all sheets are correctly filled out and included in the return envelope prior to sending it back to Quest CE. To begin Step 5, input the material's arrival date or select it using the interactive calendar. Usually, a week prior to the seminar is recommended, that way there is ample time for the materials to be reviewed. Along with the arrival date, instructors will need to specify where to ship the materials. The two options are the seminar's location or the instructor's address on file. If the address on file is old, instructors can use the additional comments box and state, I have moved, my new address is, and provide the new address. Quest CE will then notify the program administrator of the necessary update to Questtrak. After the shipping information has been completed, click Continue to Review. The Setup Review page allows instructors to review or edit certain information prior to submitting the request. Information that can still be edited includes an additional seminar contact, the seminar location and contact, the estimated attendees, the material's arrival date and shipping info, as well as any additional comments. Due to a system of checks and balances, the instructor information, seminar information, and states and designations are not editable. This is to maintain that all state and designation requirements are met and that no courses are accidentally selected which instructors may not qualify for. The additional comments section is a feature that instructors can utilize if they notice information that may be incorrect or if there is something they wish to add from a previous step. For example, if an instructor would like to add Pennsylvania to the additional credits, simply type, "May I add Pennsylvania to additional credits?" If it is within the requirements, QuestCE will add it to the request while it is being processed. After the information has been reviewed, click the Submit Seminar Request button. Once submitted, instructors will be taken to their requested seminars page, which displays the details for all current requests, including the event status and date, location, selected course, instructor, and the option to either continue or copy. Continue is the action that can be taken for a request that has bookmarked and not been submitted. The copy action allows instructors to easily add multiple seminars to the same day by launching a new request. Just as before, instructors will need to click I agree to begin the setup process. All of the previously entered information carries over. Instructors just need to select the new time and duration, then proceed through the remaining steps. Should an instructor need to stop the setup before its completion, simply click Bookmark. This will save the progress of the request and bring instructors to the requested seminars page. Other important links include the instructor affidavit, the rostering requirements, and outstanding sheets. The instructor affidavit link opens a copy of the same form that will be included in the materials. The rostering requirements opens a chart summarizing the state and designation requirements for rostering and attendees' credits. The Outstanding Sheets page informs instructors of any seminars in which the sheets have not been received. Instructors also have the ability to export that list to an Excel file. To quickly view all scheduled seminars, click the Seminar tab. Once a request is approved, it moves from the Request page to here. To inquire more about a listed seminar, click the Seminar Details icon in the last column. This page displays all the seminar's details including the status and date, the location, seminar contact, material shipping information, credit requested, the course or courses with details, as well as any admin or instructor notes. Instructors can add or edit notes here, however, any updates made to the notes will not be seen by the QuestCE service team. If the seminar requires any changes, click on Request Change. This opens a request section on the page to input the person requesting the change, the reason for the change, and a brief explanation. After submitting a change request, instructors will be informed it was successfully submitted and to allow 1 business day for processing. It is important to note that submission of the change request does not guarantee its approval. If it is not approved, a QuestCE service team member will contact the instructor with the information. From this page, instructors can also cancel the seminar, set a reminder, or copy the seminar details. Once the material is shipped for an approved seminar, the status will change to material sent. The shipping information now displays a tracking number and a track package link, which will launch the FedEx tracking page for that particular seminar's materials. After a seminar has commenced, the status will change to completed and instructors can then view the actual number of seminar attendees. They can also view each attendee's details by clicking on the person icon. These details include the participant's name, firm, and email. The View Certificates link opens each participant's initial certificate as well as any additional certificates they may have requested. Various instructor details can be accessed under the Instructor tab. These details include basic name and email information as well as the instructor's type, division, and channel. There's also a listing of state and designations, their status, the date registered, their renewal date, and any applicable instructor numbers. At the bottom of the page are the instructor-approved courses with links to the course details and the seminars in which they're used. This page will display all of the scheduled seminars in which the course appears. To search for specific course approvals, click the Course tab. From here, instructors can select the credit hours and state designation, then click Search. Any available courses will be displayed with the course title, duration, registry, and links for details and used. To view an interactive calendar of any upcoming seminars, click the Calendar tab. The month and year can easily be changed to navigate to a desired date. Scheduled seminars will show up on their corresponding date along with a brief overview. To view the seminar's detail page, simply click on it in the calendar. Well, that will complete our overview of the instructor side of Questtrak. If you have any questions or would like to request more information, please contact QuestCE at 855-553-4037 or email us at info@questce.com. Thank you.